Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share the details with you. So the very first company is this company, which is hiring for senior lead automation test engineers, lead SDETs, manual test engineers. You can also visit their website. It's www.innocito.com, and they're looking for lead automation test engineer, lead SDET, and this opportunity is from Hyderabad and Bangalore. Then senior automation test engineer opportunity, which is again from Hyderabad and Bangalore, and senior lead manual test engineer API using Postman, that is again in Bangalore. And you can send your resume and cover letter to this email address, or you can also apply directly via this link itself. Right. Then, with respect to freshers, there is a job opportunity, and the work mode is on-site. It's at Indore, and the company name is Hiteshi Infotech Private Limited, and you can apply to this particular email address. Then, Emphasis Company is hiring for automation testers and Java and .NET developers, .NET Core developers. So the experience ranges 5+ years. And you can share your resume for referral to this email address. Right. Then there is a requirement for QA manual testers, and the location is Ahmedabad. The job site is also on-site. The experience required is 1 to 3 years in the field of manual testing, and it's a full-time job from 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. And this is the email address wherein you can share your CV. Okay. Then there is a requirement in the D-Shaw company, which is hiring for freshers, and they are looking for someone who has who would be graduating in 2025 batch, and someone who has done BCA or BSc CSIT with no backlogs. And this is the link. So I'll be putting this link and the details in the description of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.